Ryan.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Love is kind and just. When you're in love, a smile's on your face. You feel good about yourself because you're happy, you are kind. Love is also just. When you make a mistake, you only pay once for that mistake. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 247. Nasdaq's up 17. S&Ps are down 7. Gold contract up $18.90, trading at $13.24 even. Silver up 25 cents, $16.45 an ounce. Copper flat, $3.10 a pound. Light sweet crude up 24 cents, $61.24 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note down 13 ticks, 120.06. 30-year bond off 28 ticks, 143.15. King dollar toasted, roasted, all of the above, down 356. You're trading at 89.925. The euro's trading at 123.27 to $1 US. The yen is out here trading at 105.60 to $1 US. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? If we go over to the SPY, what you're going to see is that we down 30 cents. You're at 267.40. We're going to put this on, well, first we'll do the daily. So on the daily, what you see out here is that on Tuesday, we started off the week. You did a monster counter trend bounce that topped out on Tuesday morning, 278.92. 99 million shares. Well, the 99 million shares were going against 294 million. How's that? Bottom line, failure on price, failure on volume. What do we do then? We come off that counter trend bounce, do monster volume yesterday, 176 million. If we put this on the weekly, what you're going to see on the weekly out here is that you failed on a failure on price and volume. Bottom line, you are going to go after this swing low out here of 252.92. Now, what I expect we're going to see out here, we don't have an ABC structure on the way down because of the way we did the counter trend bounce. It was a 0.786 of the move down. More than likely, what we're going to get is what we had out here today is this. The high of the low of February 8th is 268.17. Now, that's 246 million shares on the daily. We only have done 89 million shares. So what you have is this. When you start putting this together, you have come into that area, 269, let's see, no, there it is, yeah, 246 million. So you come into that area. It looks like we're going to close inside of that area. I suspect what you're going to see is that we're going to more than likely build cause. We're going to go a few days sideways, building cause to what? To go after this low. The low we're talking about is the February 9th low. We go over and take a look at the NDX 100, same type of setup inside the NDX. NDX 100, right now we're up 35 cents. We could come down, well, first off, you did the counter trend bounce. We did 42 million shares. That was going into 54 million shares. You come off those highs with 68 million shares, 105 million shares, 118, and we have a high volume low at 113. So what do we do out here? Same type of setup, folks. Bottom line is that you get down to a price point of $161.96. That got you into the bar from February 6th. That's 162.51, 118 million, same type of setup. I expect you're going to have to build some cause, build some energy to get down into this low of 150.15. Let's go over to the DAX in Germany. You see in the DAX in Germany, and this is a big heads up, DAX in Germany took apart its swing low of February 9th today. That was 12,003. We're at 11,913. Let me just see if I do have the volumes yet. I may. No, I won't get those to 8 o'clock tonight. Bottom line, you blew it away. We go take a look at the FTSE in the UK. And remember something, we're in a one-world market. FTSE in the UK also blew it away. Down $105. The low of February 9th was 7,073. You closed at 7,069. That sets up lower prices across all the indices across the world. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract caught a bid. Gold contract, $1,316 he started off at. It stayed inside the range. It had broken the lows yesterday of the swing of 1309. Got into the strength from the December 29th area. Bottom line, gold wants higher price. I expect we're going to make the run now, 1370. We get into the bond market. We take a look at bonds, and this is going to be really wild watching how this one shakes out. The reason being is that the fundamental observation would be that, hey, listen, short-term rates are going up. Well, guess what? They're buying bonds again. Bonds have been down for almost 11 weeks straight. Bottom line, you came off that low. The low that we came off of was February 15th. That low was established at 119.14, 119.14. We go higher yesterday with great volume. You back down today with lighter volume. Yesterday we did 2.6 million as we're going higher. We back down with 1.7. This sets up the 10-year to going to 122.02. We'll see if we get a little more juice than that. 30-year, we take a look at the 30-year, same type of setup inside the 30-year. 30-year back down almost a point today, 28 ticks. We did, let's see, U.S., I got to get the right contract. We're on the M contract. That's the June contract, inside bonds. We did 313,000 out here today, and yesterday we did 480. So you can see what's happening. Bottom line, it is pushing higher, has the volume on the daily, has the volume on the weekly. King dollar. What do we get with King dollar? Blow it away, folks. Bottom line, King dollar gets up into its swing yesterday, gave it up in spades. Well, actually, we got up into its downdraft. Took out the swing. The swing was 90.450. Got into the the dollar's been going down for basically since January 3rd of 2017. Bottom line, it got into 90.530. Failed on price, failed on volume. What that sets up is a run once again to the low, which is 88.150. Dollar index is in a much larger ABC structure down. That has a price projection of approximately 82.340. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials down 211. NASDAQ up 29. S&P's off 4. We'll come right back.